What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend BTC. I think we have a good chance of the bottom being in and a bullish breakout. I'm gonna tell you why. Currently sitting at 27.2k, up about 1.7 on the day. See market cap up 528 billion. 24-hour volume 14.16 billion. So we're going to start today off with the DXY. We pushed right up to our target of 103. We have a beautiful 5-wave move. So it's likely we may push all the way up to 103.8. You can see there was a lot of support in this area. Will now act as resistance. But I think we're likely to get rejected and see a large pullback, and that's going to lead to continuation to the upside for BTC. Shorts have been continuing to increase over the last few days, and I think they're about to get squeezed out. All right, so that's what I'm looking for, the DXY to push up maybe to 103.8, see a rejection, pull back, it's quite overbought, and see Bitcoin break out. So this is my bullish wave count. We bottomed out right here at 26k, which was the minimum target for the wave 2. Pushed up in a wave 1, pulled back in a 2, looking to push up in a 3. Micro count is a 1. Pulling back in a 2. We've already wicked down. We've already wicked down to the 50%. So we can break out from here. But the normal retracement in between 27k and 26.8k before pushing up into wave 3. The alternative bearish count, which I think is a little bit less probable now, is that this is a 4. And you're looking to come down in a 5, and I'll just remove this quickly, and we'll remove this. And basically what you'd be looking for is 1, 2, come down in a 3, probably ending diagonal 3, 4, 5, to put in that final wave 5. I think that's less probable looking at the DXY, and overall I just think the bullish, I have about 60% bias that the bullish breakout has a better chance. But if we start to break below 26.8k, it becomes unlikely that this is a wave 2, and then you have a higher probability of seeing that lower low to 25.2, 25.4k. Weekly chart, we're still following this fractal beautifully. I've been telling you guys about this fractal for many weeks now. In 2019, in the month of May, we consolidated above the weekly EMAs, just as we're doing right now. We weren't quite above the 55. And if we scroll in here to this consolidation, we started to break out in May. This is May 6th. Okay, so earlier in the month, we started to break out. But it's still pretty similar, this fractal that we consolidated in April and May, just as we've done in 2023. Sitting right on the weekly EMAs, just as we did in 2019. So I think there's a good opportunity to see continuation to the upside. The DXY is telling the story. We're super overbought. We're pushing up into heavy resistance. As you can see, if I zoom out here, support here, support in this area. We had some resistance here, support here. And we can go all the way back. And you can see resistance right here. So this is a major level here at 103.8, and I think it's going to offer a rejection for the DXY, and the DXY is going to pull back, and you're going to see a nice breakout for BTC, in my opinion. That's what I think is likely. We'll have to see how it plays out. All right, gang, currently we're in 3 trades. I just locked in my profits for my Bitcoin short, and I took 3 other trades, which I gave signals for in the Discord. You can have free access if you make your first deposit on either Bitget or Bybit. Sign up, make your first deposit. It takes 2 minutes. Email me or sign up email. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can receive my signals and analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, or it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.